The Generac 3800-watt dual-fuel portable inverter generator is a versatile power solution designed for outdoor enthusiasts, homeowners, and emergency backup needs. Its innovative dual-fuel capability allows users to run the generator on either gasoline or propane, providing flexibility based on fuel availability, cost, and preference. After putting the generator to the test over various scenarios, I have compiled an in-depth review detailing its performance, features, pros, and cons. To begin with, the Generac inverter generator boasts a robust 3,800-watt starting power and 3,300-watt running power with gasoline. When operated on propane, it delivers slightly lower output, at 3,400 starting watts and 3,000 running watts. This makes it suitable for a variety of applications, whether you need to power household appliances during an outage or run tools at a job site. The generator's inverter technology produces clean, stable power that is safe for sensitive electronics, a crucial feature for anyone looking to charge laptops, smartphones, or other high-tech devices. One of the standout features of this generator is its ease of use. It comes equipped with an electric start, allowing for quick and effortless ignition. The recoil start is also available for those who prefer traditional methods or in the event of a dead battery. The control panel is intuitively laid out, featuring a variety of outlets, including two 120V20A household outlets, one 120V30A twist-lock outlet, and a 12V DC outlet for battery charging. This range of output options means you can connect multiple devices simultaneously without needing an additional power source. Portability is another significant advantage of the Generac 3800-watt generator. Weighing around 95 pounds, it features a compact design with a built-in handle and two sturdy wheels, making it easy to transport to different locations. Whether you need to haul it to a campsite or move it around your home, its lightweight design and mobility features are a major plus. When it comes to noise levels, the generator operates at a relatively quiet 58 decibels, which is comparable to the sound of an average conversation. This makes it suitable for use during camping trips or residential areas without disturbing neighbors. The efficient design also means that it runs longer on a single tank of fuel. Users can expect around 8 to 10 hours of runtime on gasoline and slightly more on propane, depending on the load. In terms of build quality, the Generac generator is designed to withstand outdoor conditions. The durable construction and weather-resistant features ensure that it can handle various environments, whether you're using it for tailgating, RVing, or as a power supply during emergencies. It's also backed by a 3-year limited warranty, giving users peace of mind regarding its longevity and reliability. However, there are a few drawbacks worth mentioning. While the dual fuel feature is excellent, switching between gasoline and propane requires a bit of manual effort, as you need to adjust the connections and settings. This may pose a minor inconvenience during an emergency situation when speed is essential. Additionally, some users have reported issues with the electric start battery, particularly if the generator is not used frequently. Keeping the battery charged is crucial, and those who plan on using the generator sporadically might want to consider a trickle charger. Another consideration is the price point. While the Generac 3800-watt generator offers a range of features and capabilities, it is positioned at a higher price compared to some single-fuel models on the market. However, the added flexibility of dual-fuel operation and the inverter technology justify the investment for many users. In conclusion, the Generac 3800-watt dual-fuel portable inverter generator is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly unit that excels in providing reliable power for various situations. Its dual-fuel capability, portability, and quiet operation make it an ideal choice for both recreational and emergency purposes. While minor inconveniences such as fuel switching and battery maintenance exist, the overall performance and